Find the box. Whoa, nice shot. Wow. Hit. Good man. No swords, alright. Surrender? Oh, nice. Red, red, red. Red, red, red. Red, red, red. Surrender, surrender, surrender. Good push, guys. Surrender, 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 surrender. Good job, guys. Red, red, red. Whoa! Watch there. Watch your left. Right there. Here. Surrender. I'll take it. You got me. No, yes, you got me. Good shot, man. Yeah, you got me. Good shot. Yeah, you got me. I'm out. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man? All right. You're dead. Oh. Where'd that come from?
That man's on the line.
Right here.
Heard?
Hey, are you red?
Yeah. Red.
Came around, you're good.
Red, red.
You're good.
Red, red. Surrender, surrender.
Great.
Trade. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Oh, excuse me. Bam. Oh, sorry guys, excuse me. Good hold, good hold. I'm pushing up. Whoa! Nice, man. Nice, nice, nice. I'm out. Dead man. Dead man. Yeah, he's definitely down there. Sorry. Oh, jeez. I think he was walking away. I'm pretty sure he was. Surrender? 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 Blue? Surrender? Surrender? Okay. Ah! Jeez! Oh, man!
Gotta need some earplugs.
Right? I shoot real guns too. That actually scared me. Yeah. You're blue? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man, dead man. Daddy. Manny. Betty. I kind of give away my position. Push up into the tower. Go up the tower. Go up in the tower. Surrender? Surrender. Oh, red. Blue? Nope. Hit! Nice shot, man. Nice. Dead man. Dead man. Oh. Alright, last few minutes. Last couple of minutes for the round. Oh, jeez. You good?
Yeah, I think I need to sleep it up.
Oh, gotcha. Surrender! Oh. You like that?
Yeah, I didn't see it.
Right?
I'm like, oh, he's good.
Bro, this is my favorite spot.
Blue light freaks me. You're on the red team, I think blue light. I'm like, oh,
Nope.
that's pretty good.
Nope.
Jesus.
Gotcha, gotcha. Fuck this. I saw that. I saw 5 of you coming. Ah! Hurt. Nice. Woo! Hit! Good shot, man. Dead man.
Oh, you're good.
Dead man. How'd that feel? I ain't find the box yet. Fred. Thank you. Nice. Oh, I'm giving to you too, man. Nice. Oh, we're done. Game over. Yep.
I saw you in the windows. I was
Yeah?
about to sneak up on you. And then they called it, and I'm like, no.
This guy got it though. He got me at the end.
The minute you're running that staircase, I'm like, alright, it's on.
Right?
I gotta get you back. The minute I respawn, I tell people you're gone. I'm like, dang.
Yo, Blue got the box? Nice.
Oh, thank God.
Blue won? Yeah, good job, guys.
Thank Lord.
Right?